Yeah, hello everybody. Hello. Yeah, this is my first ever video for YouTube channel. Uh, yeah, I mean YouTube channel means I just have created my own channel on YouTube named Rural English. Yeah, I'm very from rural area. That's why I named this channel like this as Rural English. Um, yeah, I mean I don't know how to speak and how to do the things on YouTube and how things work here, but even then I have to speak. I have to speak right now because the channel has been created. Even if I'm running out of my words. I can't find the proper sentences and words to speak. Well, trust me, I can talk on phone call very in very fluent way. But right now here, some kind of hesitations like I'm having. I mean, this is my first time I'm talking in front of the camera. It's how does it feel like I'm talking to me, so it feels so weird, and this is very first experience to me. So in the very first time I thought, giving introduction to all of you would be better, right? So yeah, I mean everyone does so in the first in the first video they all introduce themselves. So let's do this. Well, my name is Abhishek Yadav and I'm pursuing my graduation in final year currently. Yeah, I have no any extra qualifications. Yeah, there is one thing that I have is my English, and I never consider myself to be a good speaker. I'm still learner and I'm still learning because there is a video that I have made. I have already made on Instagram. In that video, I have addressed that. I have mentioned that someone had once told me that if you want to learn something, then start teaching that. And while teaching, in order to teach, you also get to learn new things. So that is why I'm working on this. So yeah, this is my first ever video, and you know me now, so I'm gonna upload this video on YouTube, and let's see how the things work. Slowly and gradually I will also learn everything on YouTube. Yeah, if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and nothing more. Yeah, if you like, then you can also subscribe. Well, I don't know how to convey to people to subscribe and all. Okay then, bye bye, let's meet in the next video. uh yeah, bye bye.